This week's video is going to be a what we eat in a week video with a spring twist. Dinners that have a little bit of spring flair to them. So asparagus, cabbage, peas. I'm going to have you go along with me as I am preparing meals on just regular homeschool dinner nights. Hello, welcome back. This week's video is going to be a what we eat in a week video. As you can see behind me in the window, it is a beautiful, warm, sunny spring afternoon. I have my overalls on because I would really love to be out in the garden working on my seeds. But before I can do that, I need to get dinner started. Tonight for dinner, we are having barbacoa, which is just essentially shredded beef tacos. Now, why this is a spring meal, you ask? Because I like to top this with pickled radishes and cabbage, which are two very, spring-like ingredients. All right, so I'm gonna get things started by grabbing my beef chuck roast that I have already thawed. It's in the refrigerator. I'm going to get that into the Instant Pot with just a few basic ingredients, and that will get things started for the evening.
I'm feeling clearer, the moments are realer. A weight off my shoulder, let me touch the sky. I'm seeing in color, I'm living in wonder. I'm right here now. I'm gonna dance in the light, I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light.
Okay, so the other thing I need to do before I can go outside to the garden is I promised my girls that they could do a baking project today. And my younger girls definitely still need some guidance with this, but I thought this would be a great opportunity for them to make a dessert. Oftentimes for us being a large family with 7 people, buying desserts at the grocery store is honestly just outside of our budget. So I really try to come up with simple sweets or dessert options that we can make here at home that don't break the bank and don't take a lot of my time. Sheet cakes, those are our jam. We probably make one about once a week, and I like to change these up seasonally depending on what the weather is like outside. So I thought for this one for today, we would do a carrot cake because I have some carrots in the refrigerator from Costco, as well as some cream cheese and carrots. Yet again, another wonderful spring harvest food. So carrot spice cake, that'll be dessert for a couple of days for us now.
In the light, I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. It was too long, I suffered inside. I was locked in my mind and almost lost my soul. Cause all of me was tangled and caught in my ego. But I'm right here now. I'm gonna dance in the light, I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna dance in the light. Yeah, I'm gonna dance in the light. I feel your love, it's in the breeze. On every smile that I see, I close my eyes and hear your melody. It's inside of me. gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never had before. I'm gonna take every breath as if I had no more. I'm gonna sing every song, yeah. I'm gonna open up my heart and I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna dance in the light.
Don't mind, my kitchen is a little bit cluttered because I'm doing some double filming today. I'm also working on a video that I think will already be posted at this point of spring cleaning and how I fit it into our homeschool days. And so I have drying dishes and products and some things in some places, but that's okay. I have to pause the spring cleaning and I have to start dinner. So what is for dinner tonight? Tonight is my version of turkey Tetrazzini. I'm not using turkey. I'm going to use some rotisserie chicken in it instead. And so turkey Tetrazzini. Now I consider this a spring meal because it is turkey or chicken mixed with Alfredo sauce that I put a little bit of lemon juice in to give it just a little bit of brightness, as well as peas. And as you know, peas are a spring vegetable, especially here in the Midwest. And so this just gives me spring vibes. Now, as I mentioned earlier, one of the cheats I'm using on this meal is the hand-pulled rotisserie chicken from Costco. I already have used half of this in another recipe. This is the rest, and so I'm subbing this in for turkey, but Costco also has a pre-cooked turkey that is excellent in this recipe as well. I'm just using what I already have on hand, which is chicken.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world.
For this evening's dinner, my teens are at work, so there's just a couple of us eating. I'm going to do a simple sheet pan dinner of salmon with roasted potatoes and asparagus. I'm going to season everything with some lavender seasoning as well as some lemon.
Like a sunrise horizon, always there, always shining, building me up with the song it's singing, filling my heart like I'm flying. You're always warm, always hold me, the biggest part of my story, healing my soul, help me feel completion, bringing my here to my glory. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back. Keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you. It keeps pulling me back. It keeps pulling me back to you. Yeah. It keeps pulling me back to you. Yeah.
Up next is egg roll in a bowl. This is a recipe I've been seeing float around on social media for a very long time, and I've just never gotten around to making. Since it features cabbage and green onions, it makes it the perfect recipe for spring, and thankfully I had some ground meat already browned in the refrigerator from earlier in the week. So this made this recipe so fast and so simple, and hey, it's low carb.
It's so unnecessary dwelling about the past, 'cause I know that God is good, He led me to where I'm at. Sometimes I feel like giving up, you're giving in, but everything happens for a reason. It won't always be blue skies ahead. Sometimes you might need a helping hand, just like iron sharpens iron, making me stronger, calling me higher. When we come together, just like iron sharpens iron, making us stronger, calling us higher. When we're helping each other, we're growing together.
So as you can see, I'm getting this last meal started very early in the morning. It is our co-op day, and this week at co-op we are studying Vietnam. I wanted to make banh mi sandwiches for my class and for my family for lunch, and so I have the crock pot out early this morning, and even the day before I worked on pickling some veggies to go on top of the sandwiches. Pickled veggies mean spring to me, and banh mi is homeschool, so this is a perfect homeschool spring meal to finish out our week.
I see you in everything. You're working it all out for me. Oh, what can I do but sing and give to you all the glory? You put all my fears to rest. I bring to you my anxiety. Oh, I am forever blessed. Your passion is always chasing me. You are maker of all things. You are lover of all beings, my redeemer, bearing all my pain. You are Jesus, and I love to sing your name.
To go along with our sandwiches, I also found some Vietnamese pho from Costco. These are just instant noodle cups. I've definitely eaten better pho from restaurants, but this was a great way for me to introduce the dish to my kiddos.
I see you in everything, such kindness in my own story. Oh, what can obscure the truth? My Father in heaven loves me. I dance in the pouring rain. You shower your love on everyone with a power I can't escape. Whenever you speak, I come